And then that light turns red because it's letting me know that this is not working. The brush isn't spinning. So what I need to do is I need to adjust these settings. So let's try the middle setting. There are 3 different settings here: hardwood floor, carpet, and thick carpet area rug. I'm gonna try the middle setting. Light, same thing there. We had a red light. And then finally, there's one more setting here. Let's try that. We'll turn it back on. This is the area rug setting, and it is the one that worked the best for us for area rugs and did not give us a red light. Okay, and that one worked much better. That one did not have a red light. It did get caught at one point whenever the rug got piled up in one spot, but this setting definitely worked the best. But this does work better on hardwood floors, carpet, stuff like that than it does on rugs. It's just extremely powerful when you're using it on a rug. So sometimes it will pick up parts of the rug, especially around the corners. So do be aware of that if you are vacuuming rugs, once you go ahead and mess with these settings up here to try and get the best clean for you. So that's how you fix that red light. If you're noticing that happening and the vacuum brushes stop spinning, that is actually a good thing. It just means that you need to turn the vacuum off and then you need to adjust these settings here. And then basically you'll be back to cleaning in no time. So I hope you enjoy. I hope this was helpful.